Hi, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly crypto tech review. This week we're looking at Bitcoin and one of last week's frontrunners, Ripple's XRP, that made more than 40% on the bounce. We'll be looking at the MACDs, the moving averages, the weekly support, resistance and pivot levels, and the Fibonacci's. This is the crypto tech analysis for the week ending 21st of February. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar, we've got the daily candlesticks here. It's a particularly bearish start to the week. Gonna need to see Bitcoin avoid a fall through the pivot at 45,397 to take a run at the first major resistance level of the week, sitting at 52,846. Gonna need to see support from the broader market, however, for Bitcoin's breakout from last week's swing high 49,659, seeing plenty of resistance at 50. So barring an extended crypto rally on the day, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside in the week. In the event of an extended rally, should see Bitcoin test resistance at 55,000 before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 57,109. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 41,134 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Bitcoin should steer clear of sub 40s and the 23.6% fib at 38,338. The second major support level sits at 33,685. Looking at the MACD, we've got a slight narrowing of the bullish histograms, supporting the early pullback at the start of the week. On the EMAs, the 50 has pulled away marginally from the 100 and the 200, however, that's a bullish signal, suggesting further upside in the week. So keep through the early part of the week, avoid the pivot at 45,397, breakout from last week's new swing high 49,659 to 50,000 levels to then bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that and you could see some money coming off the table that would bring support levels into play. Moving across to Ripple's XRP against the US dollar, it's been a particularly bearish start to the week. Gonna need to see Ripple's XRP avoid a fallback through the pivot and the 23.6% fib at 0.5320 to take a run at the first major resistance level, sitting at 0.6860. Gonna need to see support from the broader market for Ripple's XRP to break out from last week's high 0.6432. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect that first major resistance level and resistance at 0.70 to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, could see Ripple's XRP I 0.80 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 0.7795. A fall back through the pivot and the 23.6% fib would bring the 38.2% fib at 0.4632 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Ripple's XRP should steer clear of sub 0.40 levels, however. The first major support level at 0.4563 should limit the downside. Looking at the MACD, we've got a marked narrowing of the bullish histograms supporting the early pullback. On the EMA, however, the 50 has pulled away from the 100 and the 200, giving a bullish signal. So key through the early part of the week, avoid a fall through the pivot and the 23.6% fib and break through last week's high 0.6432 to bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that and expect support levels to be in play for the week.